Hi, Aaron here to talk to you about laminate flooring. Wood-looking flooring is the hottest trend in flooring right now, and laminate flooring has always been the go-to for wood-looking flooring for decades. Sure, the competition is getting stiffer out there, but laminate has a slight edge. Why? Because laminate is inexpensive, but its looks and features keep getting better and better. Let's take a look at some of the benefits of choosing laminate flooring. We'll also explain how a laminate plank is made and help you choose the best option for your flooring. So, what exactly is laminate flooring? Laminate is a synthetic flooring that has a realistic wood look. It first hit the market in the 1970s as the first man-made alternative to real wood. It has become a popular flooring option in apartments, condos, or rentals. Laminate flooring is ideal for families or businesses. It is a strong wear layer that protects it from scratches or dents. Most new laminate can resist some moisture, which makes it a great option in other parts of the house. Laminate floors are pretty easy to clean up and maintain, easy to install, and easy to stand on for long periods of time. Most laminate flooring comes with an underlayment, which is installed under the floor to make it more comfortable underfoot. But perhaps the best reason to go with laminate floors is you get the same gorgeous real wood look for a much cheaper cost. Homeowners love that they can get their dream wood look floor at an affordable price. Now you know why laminate is a great flooring option. Let's talk about the mechanics and how this floor is made and what makes it so attractive and durable. First, there's the backing layer, which is the backbone of your plank. Then we have the core layer, which gives the laminate its durability. This layer is typically made of compressed fiberboard and resistant to water, although it's not waterproof. The image layer gives the print or pattern of the laminate and makes it look like wood, stone, or even metal. Finally, there's the wear layer. This is what protects your flooring from scratches, dents, and staining. The wear layer is what keeps your laminate flooring looking great even 10 years from now. When deciding what laminate flooring to buy, you'll notice each product has an AC rating. AC stands for abrasion class. The AC rating shows the product's ability to stand wear and tear. If you're looking to use laminate flooring in your homes, an AC rating of 1 to 3 is preferable. If you plan on using laminate flooring in a commercial setting, an AC rating of 4 or 5 would be better. The higher the AC rating, the better the flooring is at handling high traffic. Overall, laminate flooring is a budget-friendly way to spruce up a place. It's extremely durable and suitable for pets, kids, families, or high-traffic areas. Thank you for joining us. We hope you like your new laminate flooring. If you have any questions, feel free to visit the website and reach out to us via live chat or a phone call. We're always happy to help.